Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Guarda application on your Android device. To download and install Guarda application on your Android, first of all, make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your Google Play Store. Go to the search box and type in Guarda and search. Look for the Guarda Crypto Wallet Bitcoin application on the search result and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app for your Android device. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed, and once it is installed, tap on the open button to open the application. And that's it. There you have your Guarda wallet app installed for your Android phone. Simply click open the app and then create a new wallet or restore an existing one and get started with it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.